Premiere Pro and Final Cut 10 are both layer-based, which is probably the biggest hurdle you face when you switch to DaVinci Resolve, which is node-based. Now, Resolve is 32-bit float, which means you can mess up in the beginning of your grade and make up for it later. That said, there's still a right way and a wrong way to set up your node tree. In this live training, I'm going to be revealing my signature node tree that I pretty much use on every single gig, and we're going to be building this node tree from ground up so you can learn everything that you need to know about nodes inside DaVinci Resolve. By signing up, you will be automatically entered for a chance to win my freelance colorist masterclass. 3 winners will be announced at the end of the training. We'll wrap up the training with a Q&A section where you will get tailor-made answers to your specific questions. Guys, this training will not be available anywhere else, not on my YouTube or any other social media platform. This is your only opportunity to learn in an hour what took me years of pain and headache. Link is in the description below. Go ahead, sign up right now, and I will see you in the live training.